Managing your course schedules and your SchoolVision software. Some benefits of course schedules. Entering your course schedules will allow your software to recognize when a student is present, absent, or tardy. You can also enter specific time parameters for when they're able to take client services. This will reflect on your appointment tab and assist with booking appointments. When entering schedules, your software will also allow you to create minimum lunches and time clock lockouts. First, you'll want to go ahead and launch your program and go to Manager, Admin, and then your Student Employee area. Here, of course, at the bottom left corner, you're going to see the Update Course tabs. Please make sure that you've already set up all of your courses, and then click Update Course Schedule. This will give you a window. On the left-hand side, you're going to see any schedule that has already been created. To create a new schedule, you're going to click New Course Schedule. Select what course you want this schedule to apply to. So this schedule is going to apply to every student assigned to this course. You're going to enter what days of the week they're scheduled, what time they're expected to arrive to school, what time they're expected to clock out for the day. And then on where it says appointment start and appointment end, you can select what time parameters you want them to be available for appointments. For example, I'm going to enter 10 because from 8 to 10 they have a morning class, and then the last appointment shouldn't be any time after 3 p.m. so they can be done by 5 p.m. It also gives you allowances. I'm going to enter a 30-minute allowance, which means that anybody that shows up 30 minutes before 8 a.m. will still be rounded to the 8 a.m. mark. And then anybody that clocks out 30 minutes after 5 p.m. will still be rounded down to 5 p.m. If I wanted to lock out my time clock, which would mean preventing the students from being able to clock in during a specific time parameter, I would select my lockout start. I'm going to go ahead and do 8:31. So that means anybody that is more than 31 minutes late will not be able to clock in until 9:59 or 10 a.m. You press OK and you save that. You can, of course, press close or just continue to edit your course schedules here. You can select any, remove them. Make sure that everything looks the way that you want it to look. You can add new courses or remove any existing courses. You will see the changes in the appointment screen here. So if you go to your appointment tab, you will be able to see the highlighted areas for the time parameters in which they're able to take appointments. You'll also be able to click only scheduled, and only the students that are scheduled to take appointments that day would be able to be displayed here. And that really helps anybody at the front desk when booking appointments. If you need any additional assistance, please call the tech support line at 1-800-967-0249.